Hello everyone. In this video clip, I'm gonna show you how we can um, pull out and study and analyze uh, patterns from our photos that we all have now, and we took from like nature, outside, in terms of patterns. And then also I'm gonna show you how we can um, study our process board and our patterns that we pulled out from photos, then translate it into the 1 by 1.5 size. So these are my photos, and I'm gonna start drawing what I can see from each photo. For example, for this photo, what we need now is to look at this photo and see what kind of patterns I can see. So there are some circles, and also there are some lines like this. So these are patterns that we can see in this picture. And also there are some small pieces of like I think they're rectangle, and they could be patterns. So what I need to do now is to start from somewhere in my process board and to draw these patterns like this. So the other thing I can see is these lines, and also this could be a kind of pattern that we can pull out from this photo. The other thing is these small pieces here. So I'm gonna add more details later, but so in the next step, I'm gonna, so then we have this process board, and then we prepare this analysis from our photos. So we need to look at each patterns and see how we can use them into this 1 by 1.5 piece. So I'm gonna show you three techniques that we can draw this 1 by 1.5. first of one, um, first one is to use this hole. It is 1 by 1.5, and then I start to like search and see what we can see. Like here I can see these patterns, then here you can see these patterns. So it's easy for you to see in this size how much you can see, or how you can use this pattern. So in this moment, so I'm gonna draw this here. This technique is our first technique. I'm gonna show you another one. So the other one is to use trace paper and then draw what I can see here. So the third one is to kind of use 2 or 3 of these patterns and combine them into one. Like here, if you look at this one, and this, in this technique you can you should use a trace paper. Like in this pattern, so you have this. So try, the next step is to try put this pattern on another patterns and see how you can like mix 2 or 3 patterns. So here maybe I can use some of these patterns for inside of that, or maybe here I can use into, and also you can use this frame to see which part of these you're gonna use for your 1 by 1.5.